Hello, this is Amelia from Thesis Video Tutorials with another video in the WordPress Beginner Basics series, and today we're going to look at uploading or installing a new theme to our site. Now this is only going to be available if you have the one-dimensional installation of WordPress. So if you have a multi-site, such as what I've been working with in the past tutorials, so if it looks something like this, it won't have this Install Themes tab. So just so you know. So on the very first area of the install things, we've got some tabs here that we can move between. So we can do a search for a theme if we wish to, or we've got these particular filters here. So let's choose, say, like a silver with 3 columns and a featured header, and we'll click on Find Themes. So all this does is contacts WordPress and says, here are the search filters I'm looking for, can you please provide me with a theme? And it's just brought back the one result there. So let's try 2 columns and let's put in a custom menu. So just having a look now. Alright, so we've got a few more results here, so you can now have a look through all the results, and if you're if something you find is, if you find something interesting, so say for instance maybe this one, you can click on the preview and it'll show you a preview of the theme, so a larger view, so you can actually have a look at the theme itself. And so, and if you like it, just close that down. And if you happen to like it, you can then install it. So then you would click install and that will install it for you. But I'm not going to upload it. Let's have a look at this one and install this one, just for the sake of installing one. So you can then cancel it or you can install. So let's click on install now. And it might take just a little bit, so it's just going through a bit of a script where it's downloading the package, it'll unzip it and then it'll install the theme. You can then preview or activate it, or you can return to the theme installer. Okay, so you now see that we've got that theme just sitting there. In the second tab, we've got the upload, which is if you have a WordPress theme that you've installed from somewhere other than the WordPress theme directory, then you would need to upload it here. It's also if you don't have access to FTP, which is a file transfer protocol, so FileZilla, or being able to transfer files from your computer onto a web server. So this would be another way of going about it. It has to be in a zip format, okay, and you would just browse through to the particular file that you're looking to upload, and then you would install it, and it would do the same thing, unpack it and get it ready for you. You can then look through the featured themes that WordPress have set as being a featured theme, so you can have a look through those and install one if you find one that you like. The newest, so the most recent themes that have become available, and you might have noticed from the last video that the Sundance one is there because it is a brand new theme, and recently updated is those that have recently updated the theme and told the WordPress directory that it's been updated. So they're the ways of grabbing a theme and installing it. I would suggest to be very careful with particular themes. Even though they might look pretty, underneath the guts of it, it may not be that pretty in terms of the coding. There may be malicious code. There may be, it might not be SEO compliant, which is the reason why you'll get something like Thesis or Genesis, is because it is built on the WordPress core. So it does use WordPress and utilize all the core in WordPress, and they both have brilliant SEO features, and they are done by coders who are very well respected throughout the internet community. So that's just my little advice. If you see something you really do like, then absolutely go for it, but just keep that in mind that if you can't see the code underneath and if you don't understand the code underneath, just be cautious. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there, and in the next video we will go through the widgets, and I will see you then. Okay, bye.